Happy Saturday. Hello guys. I'm going to gymnastics and it's Saturday, right? Yeah, but it is. And I'm in my gymnastics clothes, you can see. I like in that cool outfit. See that? See? Indy's behind us, I guess. Yeah, Indy's behind us, see? And Mummy too. Yeah. We are bringing roll-ups and Daddy's here.
They can't see me, Isla.
There. There's Dad. Dad's holding the roll-ups.
Good boy, Isla.
Oh yeah, we go to gymnastics now.
Here.
Bye!
I love you, Kuya.
Ooh, I said let it block
Love you, baby.
the camera.
Mwah.
Bye!
Bye.
Can you say bye to us, please?
Okay. You guys. It is 10:22 ng umaga and I'm cleaning up. My goodness. Just getting rid of like some stuff. What? Use your words. What do you want? That one? Which one? This one? This? Say yes. You wanna film? Say hi. Say bye. Uy, say bye. This one? Yeah, I need to put that on my hair. Sige. Di, ang dami na nakalabas dito, di. Ito, kinuha niya dun sa ano. Hindi ba to ubos? This is Daddy's perfume. Let's put it back. Ikaw, kung saan-saan mo na lang talaga May nakuha din siyang ito. Didi. Tapos ang galing na niya mag-open kasi. Paano mo na-open? Yung ibang parang inisip ko sobrang tight. Na-open niya, guys. Kailangan talaga siyang bantayan because the carpet, The carpet, no? Ay, naku, dede. Alright. Bakit ko ba inon yung camera? Inon ko yung camera for something. Oh yeah. I was cleaning up downstairs. Nung umalis na sila kasi maraming mga crumbs, kakakain lang ng mga bata. And alam niyo naman si Ayla, guys, laging nagdo-drawing, laging nakalabas yung mga arts and crafts niya, yung mga textures niya. Nilinis ko yung mga pinagko-color niya doon and nakita ko yung card niya. Feeling ko yun yung card niya today. It's Valentine's Day today. Happy Valentine's Day sa lahat. It's 14th of Feb, Saturday ngayon. And meron ako nakitang card doon. Ang sweet. Apaka-sweet. So, iniwan ko lang yung isang card doon. Kahit nakita ko na, clinose ko pa din kasi naka-close siya eh. Tapos, sinayaan ko lang siya doon. Pero, malinis na yung lahat. Tinanggal ko na yung mga ibang kalat, yung nag-iisang card lang. Para, kunwari, hindi ko pa nabasa. Pero, I always check kasi yung mga ginagawa nila kasi kung basura, nilalagay sa basurahan, kapag mga drawing ni Ayla, I keep some of them kasi gusto ko sanang gumawa ng malaking, kung makahanap ako, ng malaking frame with all her artworks or their artworks. So yun yung rason kung bakit ko siya inopen. Pag-open ko, merong letter doon, thank you for all the love you give us. Naglilinis ako sa I love my family. I love you guys. Ikaw, nag-open na naman. Ay, ang binabi. Borrow, mama. I'll put this on my hair. Ayoko munang magbihis kasi nagliligpit-ligpit ako ng mga kung ano-ano. Oh my gosh, I have a Yestal package here. Down here, guys. Down here. Oh. Down here. That reminds me, I need to get, new body wash kasi naubos na yung body wash ko kagabi. So yun, kukunin ko yung mga basura na dun sa shower. Kasi may mga dun empty na. Pero nandun lang kasi nilalaro ng mga bata yung mga empty bottles eh. But I wanna clear it today and refill some stuff. No, before natin makalimutan. You wanna borrow? Sige. It's not a perfume, baby. Gumagano'n siya. It's not a perfume, my love. Yeah. Papatulugin ba kita, di? Anong oras ba kami aalis? Meron kaming early dinner mamaya. Siguro patulugin kita. Mga 11. 30 siguro di. Ano?
Happy day. Happy day. Happy day.
Happy day?
Mm.
Okay. Say,
Hi.
happy day.
Happy day.
Happy day. Stay there, stay there. Just wait for mommy. Happy day.
Go, go. Go.
Far away. Happy day. This one goes there. Happy day. Excuse me.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night.
You guys, look at what I did. Fuck. I decluttered. My goodness. Yung gusto ko lang sanang gawin or needed kong gawin was kunin yung mga empty na mga bottle sa shower namin kasi marami na dun. Kinuha ko lang yun tapos nirefill ko ng mga body wash kasi naubos na yung body wash ko kagabi. And then, I went through the drawers and pinagkukuha yung mga hindi na ginagamit and mga kailangan ng itapon. And I didn't stop there. I went to the other bathroom and did more decluttering. So, may mga nakita ako ng mga products na empty na, yung mga toys ng mga bata na hindi na ginagamit. And then, mga expired na products, skincare. So, in the bin, it goes. Or, oh my God, I'll just put it straight outside actually. Diretso ko to sa bin outside. And I'm also doing laundry. Natupi ko din yung mga kailangan kong tupiin. Na-put away ko, mga kailangan kong i-put away. I tell you guys, if walang mga bata ang tulog si Indy, ang dami-dami ko nagagawa. Bigla ako nagtatransform talaga kapag walang mga bata. Kasi inisip ko, maikling panahon lang to, bilisan na natin, alam mo yun? So, ang dami-dami ko nagagawa. Kasi ang bilis-bilis ko, walang tistorbo eh. Kasi Indy kasi natulog siya after kong kailan siya natulog. Basta after kung pinalitan yung mga products ata sa banyo. And I'm still not done. Laundry naman. Kakatapos lang ng first load of laundry. So, isa lang natin yung pangalawang load. And then that should be it.
It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me.
Guys, itry natin yung Kmart stain remover na nabili natin kahapon. This is only $4. Ganito yung itsura niya. Tuwang-tuwa ako na nakita ko to dun. Marami sila iba-ibang cleaning products and puro mga transparent. Ganito, parang tubig lang yung itsura ba. So this hat, it's got that. Yellow stain. Sasabihin ko sana floral. It does say stain remover floral. Okay, this top, actually, malinis to. Nalabhan na to. Kaya lang binalik ko dito kasi gusto ko tanggalin yung stain na yan. Usually, I don't really care about the stains on the clothes. Lalo na kay Indy because I get rid of the clothes anyway. Like yung kanya ba, dinideclutter ko na kasi wala nang sundan, di ba? We'll spray this on. I don't like floral scent. It's pretty strong, this scent, for me. Ayan. Spray ko lang, tapos lalagay natin sa wash. And this one got stains as well. A lot of stains actually. Look, textures, fruit. We will see. Yeah, I don't like the scent. But I'm pretty sure if you like floral scent, you won't mind it. I don't like it. Oh, shoot. That was a lot. Sorry.
Here you go, Mommy.
What is it? Oh my gosh, you guys!
So heavy.
Thank you, Kuya! Oh, thank you, Daddy! Happy Valentine's! Thank you!
Valentine's Valero.
Oh, malam! And I have more! Oh! Mamaya i-open ko. Kausap ko lang yung pambam. Let's open this. What is this? Candle? Glass? Ngayon daw sila pumunta ng shops, sabi ni Ayla. So after gymnastics, you went to the shops to buy this? Oh, you guys. That's very sweet. Smells good. Passion fruit. Yeah? Mandarin gin. Okay, mandarin gin. So it's mandarin, not passion fruit. That smells really good. Thank you, guys. Nakaalis na si Dan at saka si Arlo. Nag-grocery shopping naman. That is so nice. These kids, ang tagal pa nag-on ng camera ko, naririnig ko sila, kumakanta sila ng Happy Valentine's Day, nasa door pa lang sila. I was trying to turn the camera, this camera is really slow. It was so good.
Mommy,
Yes?
I can be able to get to say about to teacher Rich.
Oh, and the nuts! Who chose these presents?
Daddy.
Daddy? Daddy's a good daddy, isn't he? Oh my gosh, I want this one. I want this one. Spicy cashews. Thank you, guys. Can I eat now? I wanna eat now. Yeah. Nagugutom na mi. Tulog pa si Indy. I want this one. This is spicy, looks like it. Ano pa yung spicy dito? I think this is the only one. Thank you, family. I love you so much. So ito, bagong card na to. I love you to pieces. Valentine's Day 2026. From Ayla. And it's got that. So, ito yung tinago niya. Yung isang nakita ko kanina, ginawa niya siguro kaninang umaga or kagabi. I'm not sure. But to my family, I love you. From Ayla. Oh, and she drew. So cute. She drew the family. Ayla, very good drawing as usual, my love. You're welcome. Let's eat, guys. Hello, let's get ready. Saglitan lang tong pag-ready natin. We have dinner booked tonight sa Henley Beach. Because it's Valentine's Day. Ang cute na mga bata, nakabihis na sila. Ang uncomfortable ng tiyan ko. Paka-bloated ko, guys. Nag-iba ko ng pill, diba? Tapos, yung bagong pill na gamit ko, yes, it does help with headaches. Hindi na ganun sumasakit yung ulo ko kapag tapos na yung 28-day na cycle. 28 ba yun? Or 21? Pag period ko, nung previous pill ko, during my period days talaga, sumasakit talaga yung ulo ko guys, na as in masakit talaga siya. Nagpalit ako ng pill, kasi yun talaga yung iniisip ko na yun yung dahilan. And yun nga, kasi ngayon, nag-iba na ako ng pill. I'm on progesterone only pill. Wala na siyang headaches, yes, but yung bloatedness, grabe naman. So wala talagang perfect. As in, hindi lang ako bloated tignan. Mabigat din talaga yung tiyan ko. Ewan ko ba? Hindi nga masakit yung ulo ko, pero mabigat yung tiyan ko. Pero kung i-compare ko, mas okay na yung mabigat yung tiyan kaysa masakit yung ulo. Kasi iba din talaga yun eh. Tapos naka-jeans ako. Yeah. Last minute na to na-book. Hindi naman last minute. Last week. Pero kasi mga 3 weeks ago, I was looking for places to go for Valentine's kasi alam ko na Sabado yung Valentine's. Isayang kung wala kaming gawin. So, pupunta sana kami ngayon sa winery. Yun talaga yung plano talaga namin. Kaya lang yung winery na gusto namin puntahan na may picnic na style, fully booked ngayon, ngayong araw na to. We still wanted to go there. So, yung ginawa ko, binook ko siya next weekend instead. So, sabi ko ba, bahay na lang tayo ng Valentine's Day. Okay lang sa akin bahay. Si Dan, ayaw niyang bahay kasi Sabado. So, naghanap siya ng mga available. Ang hirap na guys, maghanap ng mga availability, lalo na nga Valentine's, tapos Sabado pa. So, punuan lahat. Pero meron siyang nakita restaurant. Hindi siya winery, restaurant lang siya sa Henley Beach. Sabi ko, i-book mo na yan before mo fully book. Kasi pangalawang spot na niya to. Kaya lang yung isa, sinend niya sa akin gabi. Sinend niya sa akin yung link gabi. Tulog na ako, nakita ko kinabukasan na. Sabi ko, i-book mo na. Pag tingin niya, full na. So yung ito, ginising niya talaga ako. Sabi niya, dito na lang tayo. Mag-confirm ka na kasi baka ma-full na naman. Sabi ko, i-book mo na yan. Wala nang tingin-tingin. Bahala na. Kaloka ka. Ginising mo pa talaga ako. So, hindi ko alam kung anong pupuntahan namin. Pero, dun siya sa Henley Beach. Ganda talaga nitong blush na to, no? Ito yung creamy all over paint ng BLK Cosmetics na Palm Beach yung shade. Bigay sa akin ni Miss yun eh. Lipstick. Oh my gosh, yung chan ko talaga guys. Ang bigat. So kung nagpipills kayo and sumasakit yung ulo nyo, look for a progesterone only pill. Kasi it's working for me ha. Merong headache, konting-konti lang guys. Tapos hindi ako pineriod. Hindi ako pineriod this month. Hindi yun nasabi ng doktor ko na merong times na hindi ka piperiod din dito sa pill na to. Kasi parang pangatlong buwan ko na ba to sa pill na to? And out of those 3, isang buwan lang ako pineriod. And ayoko yung hindi ako piniperiod. Ewan ko ba? Babalik na lang tayo sa doktor. Mas gusto kong piniperiod para sana ilabas niya kung anong kailangan niya ilabas. Ngayon tuloy, sobrang bloated na natin. And bloated ka naman talaga normally kapag may period ka, di ba? Normal yun. Pero ngayon iba. May paakyat na bata. Ang bango nito. Ito yung lip maximizer ng Dior. Ang bango. Gamitin natin tong perfume na to. Anong brand ba to? This is from Lancome. Ay, mabango to. Hi, girl! I know. Gusto mo magbihis na? Hi! You wanna say hi to the guys? Ano, bango to ha? Right here. Say hi. Where's the guys? Where's the guys? Say hi. Why are you crying? Where's your dress? Can I do your hair? Ooh. What is that? Gulo ng buhok mo, Bi. Ayusin natin na. We will leave in, my gosh, ang aga pa guys. 4:30 kami alis. It's only 3:48. Ang gwapa ni ate. You look so pretty, ate. Show the guys. Naka-red yan siya na escort. And si Arlo, ang gwapo din ni Arlo. Asan yung si Arlo? Naka-red din. Maroon.
Mommy, can you hold this for me in the verse?
Ayan, cute.
Daddy, why does all have a lollipop? Let's Daddy took it to me. Let's tell Daddy then.
What's mine, Didi?
No.
What is it? What do you want? Can I tie your hair? Yes? Tie hair, Didi? Happy Valentine's, everyone! Valentine's Day today!
Happy Valentine's Day.
Who's ready to go?
Me.
So we are going to
I need to help them to tie.
Bacchus.
I'm too tired.
I'll get headache tablet just in case.
You got your water as well?
I did it, Mama.
I bring you.
Daddy, I did it.
Good job. You camera, Mom? Want to stay there?
Oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
Happy Valentine's Day! Happy Valentine's Day! Happy Valentine's!
Can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Nowhere I'd rather be than with you. I can't believe you love me.
Kanina pa siya all done. Ayaw na niya dito. Kakalapag ko lang sa kanya Susan. Sabi niya, all done. You na go back. All done? All done, Didi? All done.
Not the Alex. You're going to get in her eyes.
Arlo, all done? No, okay. Indy's all done. Look at Indy. She's struggling. Look at Didi. All done. Tell Daddy, all done. All done.
What's starting?
You okay? Uh-oh.
Daddy? What's this? There's a prize. Mom, there's a prize, Mama. I'll show you.
Wow.
The door's gold.
She's having fun now.
I'm running out of shoe. It's so tiny.
Wow.
Hello guys, we are home and so we had the shower and I made something and I put a coin in there. It's like squishy here and the feelings you like feel sometimes are here and it's like a phone. Hello. And then when you open it up, there's a $5 coin inside, so you don't know if it up. Okay, you said yes, let's do it. It's starting to get messy here.
Really?
Okay,
Where do you
guys.
wanna open it?
Okay, yes.
Happy
What I
day.
mean. And I'll show you guys. Bye, bye. Say bye to you.
Oh my gosh. Happy day.
Open the okay. Okay.
Can you show them?
There's a I opened it. Let's see. And I'm getting it like there's another one inside, but it's like that. But it's a packet. Can I have one? Can I have it? Yes, we'll wrap it. Can I have a dial? Can I have a dial? Yes, no. The queen here. Oh, Mom, there's another wrapped. Those I need to wrap 3 things. I needed to wrap 3 things.
Wrap it again.
I need to wrap it 3 things. I need to wrap 3. I needed to take out to get all the way to the one. I need to get 3 things.
Are you finished?
I know.
Gusto niyo magpa-vlog eh? Ano ba? What did you show them?
This.
Okay, so all done?
We'll see.
No, oh, not yet? Okay. What do you want?
Okay, this is a $5 coin. And guess what? I found it, so I have good luck. What do you say about that? And you will just find most of it. And good night, guys. We're going to sleep right now. And whoop, doop. $5 gone to coin. Bye. I'll have a good day soon. Bye. You want to take it out with me, so okay? I'll show you. And then you kids want to watch. Come along for the picture. I will show you, Mama. What's this?
Do you guys want strawberries or grapes? What do you want?
I don't want.
Strawberries for you?
I don't want any. I want grapes, but no, like
Grapes?
yeah, but no, like brown on it,
What do you mean more brown?
like the cracks. Let me show you what it looks like.
You don't want this?
Listen. Why?
This is new. So it looks good? You don't want that one?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Disgusting.
You want strawberries, Kuya?
No. Oh yeah. Okay, these are like these are the trees.
You want grapes? Say bye to ate.
Bye.
Good night.
Love you.
Say bye to daddy.
Bye.
Good night. Bye.
Say bye to Kuya. Say good night, guys. Say bye to guys. Oh, okay. Patulugin ko na to, guys, kasi anong oras na? Alas 10 na ata. What time is it, ate? Pero okay lang yung mga bata, wala silang bedtime because bukas is rest day for everyone. I mean, for the kids.